Hey everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you how to use the align command to fit objects perfectly using the easy method. This is a great way to move and twist your shapes on your current setup session so they line up flat against your target markings without any manual turning. Step 1. Select your object and type the align word. The first step is to use your mouse pointer to highlight the exact object you want to move and fit, and then type the quick tracking command word into your software bar. Move your cursor over to your drawing board canvas, drag a selection box around the shape you want to move, type the word align into the bottom typing row, and press the Enter key on your keyboard. Make sure your object changes color or becomes a dashed line to prove that your computer has successfully locked onto it, and check that the bottom text line says Align. Because the matching tool needs to know exactly which shape you want to manipulate before it can ask you where it should go. You have to select your target item so the software can prepare its movement paths. Without this step, typing the word will do nothing because the system won't know what you are trying to match up. Step 2. Click the first matching points from your shape to the target line. Next, you need to show the computer the first corner on your shape that you want to move, and then click the exact spot on the target line where that corner should land. Click once on a corner of your highlighted object to pick your first starting point, and then click a second time on the exact spot on your main drawing sheet where you want that corner to sit. Watch the thin dotted line appear on your screen view to show that the system has successfully drawn a virtual path from your object corner to the landing mark. Because the software uses these points as matching pairs to understand how to shift your drawings. This first pair of clicks act as the main hinge point for the move. It tells the computer exactly where the first corner of your shape needs to stay pinned down once the movement starts. Now, you need to click a second corner on your shape and match it to a second spot on your target line so the computer knows how much to turn your object. Click once on a different corner of your moving object to pick your second starting point, and click your mouse button again on the second destination spot on your target line. Verify that a second dotted tracking line appears across your screen canvas, creating a clear visual guide for how your object will turn. Because a single point can only tell the computer where to drop the shape, but it cannot tell it how to rotate it. By setting this second line path, you show the program exactly how to angle your object so it lies perfectly flat against the new target mark. It is the key step to getting the right output because it handles all the rotation math automatically based on your simple clicks. Press the Enter key on your keyboard once, look at the choice question that pops up at the bottom of your screen, type the letter Y for yes if you want the shape to automatically scale to match the length of the line, and hit Enter one last time. And that's it. To use the Align command to fit objects perfectly, you must first select your object and type Align to activate the matching tool. Then you click your first corner and match it to your first landing spot to set the main pin. Next, you click a second corner and match it to the second target spot to set the turning angle. Finally, you press Enter and type Y to let the system automatically move, spin, and change the size of your object to fit the line length exactly. I hope this helped you out, and I see you in the next one.